Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to see how to make our own watercolors. Yes, you heard it right. These colors are made at home with some simple things, and let's see how we can make our own watercolors. So for this we are going to need a container, any plastic container that you are not going to use in future. So this is a plastic one, so I've kept it for this purpose. And then we are going to need a spoon and just a basic knife. And the main thing is gum arabic powder. This is an essential if you want to make watercolors. I bought this from Amazon for about $20, and I have some honey. We need just a little bit of honey and water. So I've used this distilled water. So let's go ahead and start the process. So for the gum arabic powder to activate, we need to use the powder with water, and we have to mix it. So I'm going to take 3 spoons of gum arabic powder, and to mix it with water, I'm going to use double the quantity of water, which means I will be using 6 spoons of water to mix this gum arabic, to make a paste out of it. So I'm just leveling the spoons so that it is a defined quantity. And now I'm going to add water. So I'm going to put 6 spoons of water. And after you add water, just start mixing it slowly, and it might take some time. It will be lumpy and you will have to keep on stirring it. And after it shows very minimal lumps, just add honey and mix it again. And after mixing honey, we just have to keep it for 24 hours. I put it in the fridge. After 24 hours, it is self dissolved, so you do not see any lumps in it now. And for the colors, now I'm going to use a palette, a mixing palette, and I will keep the colors in it. I'm going to use the pigments. So whatever pigments you want to order, you can. I have some pearl, I have some color shifting pigment as well. Now I'm just adding just two drops of this gum arabic paste that we have made, because I just want to try all the colors, and not, if it is not good, then I wouldn't want to waste any of my products. So start with little drops. So I'm going to add few scoops of the pigment and start mixing. Just mix it very thoroughly so that every pigment is mixed very properly. And I'm going to add all of them and mix them. It shouldn't be very watery, and it shouldn't be very thick as well. While I'm mixing the colors, I would like to give you some more details on the materials that we have used. So the basic use of gum arabic is because we need the pigment to be sticked to the paper that we put it on. So gum arabic doesn't let the glitter to smudge off from the paper. And the honey is basically acts as gives elasticity to the color, so that whenever you reactivate the color, it is very smooth to reactivate. I left the colors to dry in the palette itself, and this is how it looks after a few hours. And I am going to reactivate them using spraying some water. I just wanted to show how it looks after it dries up. So I'm going to try these colors both on the black sheet and as well as on the white sheet, so as to see what effect it has on a darker surface and on the lighter one. And this is the first color, and I actually I started loving these just from the first color itself. It looks so beautiful and shiny. And I'm going to show you all the swatches after they dry out as well, so as to see the final result. And this is the second shade, and I'm going to swatch all the colors here on the black as well as the white sheet. And please enjoy the swatches. This is how the colors look after drying, and I am so stunned with how they look. And you see, this first color is absolutely beautiful. It's shifting the colors, like right now it's pink, and then you move this side so it shows blue and then purple again. The green is beautiful. All the colors that we have made, they look absolutely beautiful. They are so shimmery and so beautiful. I'm so happy that these colors, knowing that we have made these colors ourselves at home, and they do not smudge. Even if you rub your hands on the top, they do not smudge at all. Nothing happens to the colors. This is because we have used gum arabic powder, so it's like a glue for the watercolor. So whenever we put it on a sheet, it doesn't smudges off. So this is how they look, and I am so happy with how these colors look. So I hope this motivates you also. If you like shimmery colors, if you are into watercolors, you can go ahead and use these simple things and make your own watercolors. It gives so much sense of your ownership, that you've made the colors yourself, and it's a beautiful feeling, and the colors are beautiful. The results are so good. So, and the other thing is that you can customize whatever colors you need. You can make those colors for yourself, and you do not need to order them with a separate pans or more bigger sizes. Whatever and how much you need, you can make your own colors, and this is beautiful. If you enjoyed today's video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and that means a lot to me. Till then, take care, bye bye, and enjoy your watercolor making session. Thank you, and bye bye. See you guys in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.